Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, confirm Windows has focus and your 60% keyboard is connected. Find the FN layer legend, locate where delete sits, often FN plus backspace, and verify where Alt and Control are. Try pressing Control plus Shift plus ESC first because it opens Task Manager directly and may not need FN. Once done, if Control and Shift are standard keys on the base layer, you'll save steps. If one of those needs FN, prepare to combine FN with the other modifiers in the next step. Now execute the combined keystroke. If Control plus Shift plus ESC works without FN, press them together and wait. Task Manager appears immediately. If not, press Control and Alt, then add FN and press the backspace key, the FN plus backspace acting as delete, all together. This sends Control plus Alt plus delete. Hold modifiers a fraction longer to ensure the OS registers them, then release in the order you pressed. Make sure you press firmly and avoid simultaneous double key chatter. Timing finish by using alternatives if the combined press fails. Open the on-screen keyboard to click Control, Alt, and Delete visually, or run Control plus Shift plus ESC from a virtual keyboard. For a permanent fix, remap an unused key to Task Manager with power toys or sharp keys so you avoid FN gymnastics. If keys still misbehave, unplug and reconnect the keyboard, power cycle it, or flash firmware updates. This often restores proper FN layer behavior. If nothing helps, try another USB port or a different keyboard to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.